Hello, my name's Colin Haley and I'm a partner at Confluence Tax. I'd like to give you a brief update on three key tax issues coming out of Budget 2020. Firstly, on R&D expenditure credits, the rate of relief has increased from 12% to 13%. This is a very welcome measure as it means more cash available to loss-making biotech and technology companies. Just to recall, R&D expenditure credits are available where a project has been subcontracted to a company or where a company has had grant funding in respect of an R&D project. Turning now to the more valuable SME R&D tax credit system, there's been talk for a while about introducing a cap on the amount of cash you can claim under the SME scheme. This cap will be based on 3 times the PAYE and national insurance that the company pays. Therefore, for companies with a large amount of R&D spend and a small amount of headcount, this could lead to a very material reduction in the value of the cash credit. Thankfully, we've lobbied hard with the Treasury and the Revenue, and an exemption is in the works. We can't yet know precisely what the exemption will look like, but we're hopeful that it will be a sensible measure that will allow genuine companies operating in the UK not to be caught by the cap, and therefore for the size of their SME R&D tax credits to carry on unaffected. And finally, turning to entrepreneurs' relief. This is the 10% rate of capital gains tax on a share sale that applies either if you hold 5% of the shares or you are an EMI option holder. The amount of gains that could enjoy the 10% rate has now been reduced from £10 million to £1 million. This means that for people with material shareholdings and large gains, they will probably be adversely affected. However, again, because of lobbying we did with the Treasury, EMI option holders will in the main not be affected. What we mean by that is EMI option holders in the wider employee population who make gains of less than £1 million will still enjoy the 10% rate. Therefore, while the measure is not great news, it could have been much worse, and I think we just have to be philosophical. Overall, it was a positive budget from our point of view, with more funding for science and research in the UK in general, and we look forward to the future. Thank you for listening.